Good morning, you guys. It's Sunday today, so happy Sunday. And also, I just realized it's 1st of December, so happy December to you all. We are in the last month of 2024, and I don't know how I feel about it. I genuinely don't know what to say, what to think. I'm just taking it as is. December is always a month where I set new intentions, there are new things coming up, but all of that will happen maybe later in December. But today's agenda and today's vlog is just a nice Sunday vlog because I don't know, it's been a while and I haven't really vlogged my usual days because I was traveling so much. So I thought this would be like a fun day. I honestly don't really know what's gonna happen today, but we have our to-do list here and I'm just gonna make my to-do list. I'm just gonna write what are the things that I have to do. We might also go out and all of that will also happen. And yeah, that's just a little intro for you all. Also, on a side note, it has gotten chilly in Mumbai, which feels weird to even say out loud, but I'm wearing my hoodies now, I'm wearing my sweatshirts now, which honestly makes me feel so happy because I honestly wanted like a little bit of coziness around, and I'm so glad that the temperature has dropped. So we're gonna do some winter fashion maybe today. I don't know, like honestly I have so many winter outfits and I'm dying to wear them, so I'm glad that the temperature has dropped, but I'm pretty sure in the afternoon it's gonna get hot, but we're gonna see. But for now, let's make our to-do list. So I'm taking my Lemmy gummies now. This is the Lemmy Glow one and this is Lemmy Chill, and these are not available in India, I think. I got mine from the US because they are so popular there, and I get it, especially the Lemmy Chill one. I feel like I don't know, I might be a little crazy for saying this, but these actually make me feel like a little de-stressed, you know what I mean? And even these ones that are for like hair and skin, I don't know, you all only tell, are they working? Because I'm not really doing much, but I am taking one religiously. Ideally you have to take two, but I know that I cannot buy more as of now, so I'm just taking one. This is how they look like. These are also so yummy. Like, they're actually really yummy. This is for hair, skin, nails. So good. I can complete it in one go, but I know that's not possible and I cannot do that. But yeah, we are back in our kitchen, which means that we are making breakfast, and it makes me so happy because you all know I love making breakfast, right? And I found this like new breakfast idea. It's not new, but then again, I tried it yesterday. I also posted like a YouTube short about it. Let me know if you like it because I love making breakfast, so I can just turn it into like a cutie series on YouTube shorts where I just make breakfast with you all. But anyways, so we are making bagel. I have these like sesame bagels with me, and then there's cream cheese. This is the one that I use, and we also have this pancake mix from Slurp. It's actually really yum, so I'm gonna make a few pancakes. And we have fresh strawberries. I love strawberries. I'm so happy that the strawberry season is here. And also, I'm not gonna have it all. Anik is coming over, so we're gonna have breakfast together. So I thought I'll just quickly like make everything. It's not gonna take a while. Let's make some Sunday breakfast. It's gonna be a cute Sunday spread for me. So I'm putting like cream cheese on one side of the bagel, and then I have this hummus, so I thought I'll put this on the other side and it'll just be like a variety. And then I've just sliced some cucumbers, so I'm just gonna put all of that. And yeah, bagels look so pretty. As of now, this is the situation of my makeup table. Like this chair, you can't even see it. It's literally like a pile of clothes. And then even here, there's just so much. Also, if you all did not notice, I have removed my cupboard from this place, and it's in the other room. But all of that, again, I'll update you all properly when I start, like glam room and living room and all of that. I am getting ready now, and guys, oh my god, can you all see the tan? I don't know how I feel about it, because it just, yeah, it's just different. Me tanned is like a whole different vibe, and even though it was looking beautiful and so sexy when I was on my vacation, now everything is just not matching. Like my concealers are not matching, my foundations are not matching. I'm like 4 shades darker, which is weird. But anyways, I'm getting ready. I told you all right that we'll be going out, so we're going out for lunch, and then we're gonna see what we do. No particular idea. It's gonna be super spontaneous. One thing I do know is that we're going for a movie. We're going for Moana. I literally lived the Moana life, and now I'm gonna go and watch the movie. It's gonna be super fun. I'm like almost done with my makeup. I'm not doing too much, like I'm not doing a full face of makeup. I've just like put some concealer, some blush, a little bit of mascara, and yeah, I don't think that's full face of makeup. For me, that's like a very light makeup. Also, I'm using this Benefit mascara, and oh my god, I used to use this all the time in the start of the year, and then I finished it, and then I forgot to buy it, and then now Benefit was nice enough to send it back to me. Look at it, it just makes my lashes so pretty. For lips, I'm using this tint. It's like a tint and a lip oil kind of situation, and I think it would match my outfit. I'm wearing like a brown kind of outfit. Maybe I'll mix it with something. It's like a proper lipstick, and it's like so brown. This looks good. Okay, makeup is done. Let me know what you all think about my makeup. I did it in like 5 minutes.
Dude.
Someone has taken over my place.
Necessary. All the guys watching this, do your skincare.
I don't think there are many guys watching this.
You never know.
Yeah. Okay, so my outfit is this top and this like mini skirt kind of situation, and then on top I'm just throwing on this bolero because I know I will be freezing to death in the theater and also in the mall, which we might go to. But it doesn't really make sense because I'm wearing like the tiniest skirt ever. But you get the point, right? It's for the outfit, it's for the look, it's for the aesthetics. And I know my outfit is screaming like fall, which I don't mind honestly. Like it's giving, right? And I really like it. It's super comfy also. Yeah, we are ready, let's go. We are going for lunch and we are going to this place called Noah by Nutcracker, and I absolutely love Nutcracker. And also this is like a smaller, like a sister brand kind of a thing, and it's like very cute and nice. It's very small, so I hope we get a space. But I've been here once and that was really cute. I came for brunch, but this time we are going for lunch. I don't know what options they'll have for lunch, but we are gonna go and see. Guys, the lunch was actually really good, and also this place had like these dips and all of that. So obviously for my breakfast, not breakfast actually, in general for snacks and whatever, I just got this like pesto cream cheese dip, and it's actually fresh. Like it says that it's made today only, so I'm glad that it's like freshly made. And then I got these like chickpea crackers.
just so you know I can have the dip with the crackers, or I can just have the dip with anything else. But like I feel it's so cool when you know these like cafes serve these like fresh things, freshly made stuff. They also had like bagels and everything else. Like I wish I was living in that area so I could just get the fresh things from that cafe only, because it was so cute, and I'm pretty sure these are gonna taste good because our food was good. But anyways, now we are at Carter's. We're just gonna like walk a little here and then we'll go to Magnolia for dessert, because I am craving Magnolia's milk cake and I really want to have that. But we're just gonna chill a little this side because it's so quiet, it's so nice. I wish like we got either like our books or painting thing, anything, like you can sit here and do so much, but I think we don't have anything, so we're just gonna walk. It's actually so sunny, but it doesn't feel too hot. Like it's actually really sunny, but as of now I'm okay walking for like 5 minutes, but then I'll feel like it's too hot and then I'm gonna go back. I just know myself so well. I wish it was a little chilly because everything is so quiet. Like not quiet because there's traffic, but like there's barely anyone, and I like places with less people. Our pretty flowers are here. I got white orchids with white lilies. I just wanted like an all white thingy. There are some gypsies. This is so pretty. After that, we met two of our friends and then we decided to go to this place called Dessert Republic, and there we tried this like berry mochi ice cream, and honestly it was like a 5 on 10. I did not like it and they could have made it so much better. And then we went to Magnolia, which was right in front, and had the tres leches, which is my absolute favorite. I literally love it. It's the best dessert that Magnolia serves. I love this tres leches so much. I inhaled it. Wow, I can't believe I've not gone to Geodrive because that's the only place I keep going to, but now we have come here and I don't think I'm doing any shopping, so don't worry. Yeah, I'm controlling my spending behavior, but we are just here to window shop. Stationery shopping. We have so many things here, but I love Muji pens. Those are the only pens I use. They are like one pen for 100 rupees, but so good. I love them. Where are the pens? Yeah.
What is this?
I need to pick my pens. No, not this. Not this.
They have a to-do calendar that I've been using.
Right now we have all come to watch like Moana 2, and I feel like I just wanted to watch it because I've just lived my Moana dreams in Bali. It was literally as sort of similar as it could possibly get, and so many of you guys were commenting that oh my god, this is giving Moana, and I was just like yeah, and I was so looking forward to watching the movie. And it's all the 4 of us, and I think that this is probably going to be the last thing that we're going to do today. I am already tired. This Sunday was so filled with, it was actually filled with a lot of things. Like I did a lot, I ate a lot. I was eating every 2 seconds. So much sugar, I think I'm high on it. I'm back home and it's
I think it's 11, which is not bad at all. I just like changed and I just cleaned my face, doing my nighttime skincare, and yeah, like today was such a nice day. It was a very chilled out kind of a day because we didn't do much, but we still did so much. Like, you get what I'm saying, right? So all of that is fun. Sundays are just very chilled out, and I think they weren't chilled out for me for quite some time now. So I'm glad that today was just a good day with a few of my friends as well, who we were planning to meet for a really long time. We spent most of our day with them, which was also really fun. And yeah, no matter how late I come to my house, skincare is something that I just cannot skip. Like, it's not possible for me to not do my nighttime skincare. It's pretty basic, just a serum and a moisturizer. I am also using this like Bioderma product because it has gotten a little, like, the weather has gotten so dry lately, so there is like dryness around my nose, and yeah, all of that has happened. So I just put like a little bit of it near my nose and just like here and here, because I feel like these are the areas that just get a little dry for me, and also my eyes, like my eyelids. So yeah, this is like a very hydrating cream from Bioderma, and obviously my Laneige lip balm. Like, this is something I am obsessed with. Every girly is obsessed with this. It's like so thick, so hydrating. I love it. Tomorrow is also my hair wash day, so I'm just using this Indewile scalp serum. It's the Moonlight Scalp Serum. I haven't used it too many times, but right now I feel like I just remembered using it, so that's why I'm using it. I really want to be more consistent with my hair care. Like, I feel like my scalp is not in the best condition. It's super oily, it's super flaky, and I don't know, it's just weird with my hair. Like, literally I cannot expect it to work overnight, but still I like try to be more consistent with it and hope that my scalp conditions become better. Now that's actually it for this video. I'm just gonna hit the bed. I'm honestly tired, and yeah, skincare is done, all the things are done, and it's gonna be a good sleep, and tomorrow we enter a new week, which I'm really excited about. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Good night.